Hello.
Welcome back. Well, just a beautiful one out there today. Got another winter tomorrow. Clouding up for Friday. Rain coming in for Friday night, and then some rain chances at some point this weekend. But the weekend's still up in the air. A lot of question marks. We'll try to answer a few of those as we get into the weathercast here. So let's take a look at the big picture. High pressure over the western Gulf of Mexico, pretty much dominating our weather. If we look over to just offshore, the southwest California coastline, here's our next weather maker. Not producing a whole lot of weather, some showers by Baja, but eventually this system moves eastward as an upper level system in the Pacific Northwest catches up with it and then eventually pushes it east, and already some snow advisories in effect, some winter storm watches, northern New Mexico, where you go to Taos and from Santa Fe on northward up toward the San Juan Mountains of Colorado. But for us, clear skies, and with clear skies this evening, we're going to have a good view of the International Space Station coming up right at 6:24, so set your phone or watch alarms for that time. It's going to be coming in from the northwest and disappearing in the southeast behind the Earth's shadow, but we got a 6-minute view tonight, and when it comes, the max angle is going to be nearly 63 degrees, which is almost overhead for us, and that'll be right at 6:27 this evening, so make sure you check that out. We'll remind you again coming up on Acadiana's news channel at 6, but again, during the newscast. So you got a couple of options. You can DVR the news, pause it, and then resume it. We don't want you to turn away from our station. That's how we get paid, so we need that as well. So weather-wise, as we head through tonight and tomorrow morning, it's going to be cool, but not nearly as cool. We'll favor mid to upper 40s, and then for tomorrow, it's going to be mild once again. Southwest winds kicking in. That means we should get into the mid-70s. Moving into Friday, it begins to get breezy as the pressure gradient tightens up ahead of a low pressure system and a frontal trough that'll be pushing on through as we get into Friday night. You can see showers and some thunder across Texas into Arkansas, and that will be moving into Louisiana as we head into Friday night, Saturday morning. Here's a snapshot at Saturday morning. Here's that Saturday morning at midnight, so that's late Friday night. Pick it up on the Euro model, and again, that front pushes on through. I think we see some sunshine Saturday afternoon. Then the question remains whether we're going to see a disturbance form up along that frontal boundary and cast not only clouds but rain into the area, and usually these systems are a lot wetter than the models ever forecast. That's what happened last weekend. That's what may happen this coming weekend. Now, rain totals may not be too terribly high, but it's going to be chilly rains on Sunday, indoors on Sunday, and then nice and chilly as we go into Monday. Highs in the 50s and lows more than likely dropping down into the 30s as we head into Tuesday morning. Then some quick changes as we go into next week, another frontal boundary, and the mid to latter part of next week, I think the forecast is going to be quite changeable, so we won't go too far into that. As for rainfall, well, yesterday the Euro was going for several inches of rain. Now it's more in line with the GFS model, about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch with the rain Friday night. Then the Sunday rains primarily down along the coast, but we could see an inch or two of rain, especially the coastal parishes, so keep that in mind. And again, the forecast for Sunday could change, so stay tuned for that. Near term, though, with the issue that we will be watching is the threat of fog tonight as we see temperatures meeting up with the dew points and a light southwest wind. We should have fog developing. Latest model run here likes the fog to develop over the basin over toward Baton Rouge, but I think we could see some darker spots across the rest of Acadiana. That fog, though, burns off quickly as the temperatures warm up nicely. We'll bottom out mid to upper 40s, and then tomorrow afternoon into the mid 70s. So a typical December evening, seasonably cool, the normal this time of year, right around the mid 40s, and then those areas of fog late. That fog burns off quickly first thing in the morning. We go to mostly sunny skies, but some clouds coming in during the afternoon. 75, the projected high. Doesn't get much better for December 10th. Now, mind you, just 3 years ago, we had a good snowfall here in Acadiana, but not this year, obviously. And as we move into the weekend, low 70s, Friday, Saturday, best rain chance. I think that's going to go to 70% for Friday night. And then rain on Sunday with cloudy skies and chilly conditions going back into next week with temperatures at or below normal once again. So some changeable weather ahead.